you ever wonder what it takes to truly master ultrasound-guided regional anesthesia, you're in the right place. Over the years, teaching countless workshops, masterclasses, boot camps, and mentoring generations of anesthesiologists, I've discovered that success boils down to 5 critical steps. And let me tell you this, there's one step that's absolutely crucial. Without it, no amount of studying will get you there. So stick with me and I'll show you exactly what you need to do in this video. To become a great driver, you need to know how a car works, not as a mechanic, but as a driver. The same applies to ultrasound-guided regional anesthesia. You don't need to be an ultrasound engineer, but you must understand the machine. Depth, gain, time gain, compensation, focus. These controls are your steering wheel, brakes, and turn signals. Without knowing how they work, you're just fumbling around. Mastering your tools is the foundation of your success. Let's talk about hand-eye coordination. Picture this. You drive into work, but you struggle to keep the car in your lane. You're so focused on not swerving your car that you can't even think about where you're going. Sounds stressful? Well, that's exactly what happens when you can't keep the needle and anatomy in view during the procedure. Here's the thing. You cannot learn hand-eye coordination on patients. Just like you wouldn't start driving on a busy highway, you need to practice in a safe environment, like simulation labs. Think of it as your empty parking lot where you can develop the skills before taking it to the real streets, your patients. Now, imagine trying to drive without knowing the roads. You'd be lost, right? In regional anesthesia, that's the equivalent of not understanding anatomy. Anatomy is your map. But here's the good news. Once you've mastered steps 1 through 3, you can apply the same principles anywhere. Whether you're on a familiar road or a new terrain, the technique of driving remains the same. And for this, I highly recommend NYSORA's No Blocks app. It's like having a GPS for regional anesthesia anatomy. Knowing when to drive, when not to drive, and why you're driving somewhere is just as important as knowing how to drive. The same goes for regional anesthesia. You need to understand when to perform the block, when it is indicated, which block to use for which indication, and when it's better not to block at all. These principles of practice are essential for safe and effective care. And finally, to become a great driver, you have to drive a lot. Similarly, the only way to truly master regional anesthesia is to treat patients. But here's the thing. There's an intermediate step that can make all the difference. That's where NYSORA's boot camps come in. At our boot camps in Genk, you'll not only get hands-on experience, but also learn how to seamlessly incorporate regional anesthesia into real-world clinical practice, side by side with the best in the field. So there you have it. The 5 steps to mastering ultrasound-guided regional anesthesia: know your tools, build hand-eye coordination, master the anatomy, learn the principles of practice, and get hands-on experience. To take your skills to the next level, download the NYSORA No Block app and join us at NYSORA Europe Bootcamp. Links are in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.